Welcome to Microlearning English, 5 minutes each day. This is day 5 or lesson 5. Today, we focus on two very useful patterns. I want to, I need to. These help you say what you want or need to do. What's the difference? Want to means you feel like doing it. It's your choice. Need to means it's important. Maybe you don't want to, but you must. You need to. Let's practice both in the present and the past. Listen and repeat. I want to eat. I need to eat. She wants to sleep. She needs to sleep. We want to relax. We need to finish our work. They want to play. They need to study. Now compare. Want, feel like. Need, important. Repeat. I want to go out, but I need to stay in. He wants to watch television, but he needs to do homework. She wants to rest, but she needs to clean. Remember, say to, not I want go. Say I want to go. Not she needs sleep. Say she needs to sleep. Let's move to the past. Only the first verb changes. Repeat after me. I wanted to eat lunch. I needed to eat something. She wanted to leave early. She needed to stay late. We wanted to relax. We needed to work overtime. Now again. He wanted to play games. He needed to study for the test. They wanted to sleep in. They needed to wake up early. Repeat faster. I wanted to help. I needed to help. She wanted to rest. She needed to rest. We wanted to go out. We needed to stay home. More repetitions. I want to drink coffee, but I need to drink water. She wants to eat cake, but she needs to eat vegetables. He wants to relax today, but he needs to finish a report. We want to stay up late, but we need to wake up early. They want to travel. They need to save money. Now flip them. I need to sleep, but I want to stay awake. She needs to focus, but she wants to talk. He needs to call his boss, but he wants to play games. We need to leave now, but we want to stay longer. Okay, more. I want to eat. I wanted to eat. So present and past. I need to eat. I needed to eat. She wants to help. She wanted to help. She needs to rest. She needed to rest. We want to go. We wanted to go. We need to study. We needed to study. One more round. Want is your choice. Need is important. I want to go. I need to go. Well then, you can clearly say what you want and what you need in both present and past. Next time, in Day 6, we'll learn to say what you plan or decide to do. See you soon.